Today we're diving into the Cooler Master V850 SFX Gold, a high-quality power supply unit that's perfect for Mini-ITX system builds. This PSU boasts an impressive 850W of power and 80+ gold efficiency, ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the standout features of the V850 SFX Gold is its SFX form factor, making it compatible with all SFX cases. This compact design is ideal for those looking to build a powerful yet space-efficient Mini-ITX system. Despite its small size, it doesn't compromise on performance or reliability. The inclusion of an SFX to ATX bracket is a thoughtful addition, allowing users to securely install the SFX Gold in an ATX case. This versatility means you can use this PSU across different builds, making it a great investment for future upgrades. A notable feature is the use of 16 AWG PCIe cables. These thicker cables are designed to handle higher currents, which not only improves efficiency but also enhances safety. It's a small detail that shows Cooler Master's commitment to quality and user safety. The full modular cabling system is another highlight. By allowing you to connect only the cables you need, it reduces clutter inside your case. This, in turn, increases airflow, which is crucial for maintaining optimal thermal performance. Better airflow can lead to better overall system performance and longevity. In terms of noise levels, the V850 SFX Gold excels with its quiet FDB, fluid dynamic bearing, fan. This fan is designed to minimize noise while providing efficient cooling, ensuring your system remains quiet even under heavy loads. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing, you won't be distracted by loud fan noise. Cooler Master also offers a 10-year warranty on this PSU, providing peace of mind with your purchase. This long-term warranty is a testament to the durability and reliability of the V850 SFX Gold. The Cooler Master V850 SFX Gold is a powerful, efficient, and versatile power supply that stands out in the market. Whether you're building a new Mini-ITX system or upgrading an existing one, this PSU offers the performance and reliability you need. With its compact design, modular cabling, and robust warranty, it's a top choice for any PC enthusiast looking to build a high-performance system in a small form factor. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.